Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can update your hunting sniper application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To update your hunting sniper application, firstly go ahead and launch open your Play Store. On the search box at the top, type in hunting sniper and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the application. Now, to update your application, tap on Update option just below your Hunting Sniper application. Here, as you can see, there's no update available in my case, so I won't be able to update my application. But if the updates are available, you can simply tap on Update button to update your Hunting Sniper application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.